Hey crafty friends, welcome to a design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. This is a paper collection that unfortunately is out of stock. It's a Stamperia collection and you can recognize it because it's the one with all the ABCs. So check it out. I just love the different colors in this collection. There's a little bit of yellows, but there's mostly purples and pinks. But I took the yellows and I really kind of tried to run with it. I just love it. Beauty is in the little things. This is the type of card you can give for any occasion. And that's the fun thing about this is you can create all these different cards, keep them in your stash, and give them for whatever occasion pops up. If you're a seller, oh my gosh, these are great for selling. So either way, it's very beautiful and easy to create with these Stamperia papers. And hopefully I've been showing you that for a little while because I've been creating a lot of them. So I just did some layered butterflies. There was a flower cluster that kind of goes up the paper, and then there's this little bird. So I didn't want to cover the bird. So I brought my flower cluster here, and then I let the paper show the flowers, and then I brought more cluster here, and then a seam binding bow. And there's no sentiment on the inside. I don't, that way it stays however you want to, whatever purpose you want to use it for. Hey, let's look at a pink one. All right, this one is gorgeous. This is my favorite of all the pink ones that I created. So this says, find that magical place in your world and live there. And then I wanted to add the word forever. So find that magical place in your world and live there forever. So this could be an encouragement card. This could just be any type of card, any type of purpose that you want to give this card for. So again, my little flower clusters all around, and then the little flowers kind of on the branches there. So pretty. I just love this collection. Let's look at another yellow one. Here we go. Again, with the beautiful greens and yellows, I added the word friends. There's a die cut in the back and some die cut leaves and a beautiful little flower cluster there with a seam binding bow. This one is obviously for you to give to a friend. All right, and then we'll go with this lavender purple one. Let's see, look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. So I just cut this out, distressed everything. Everything is distressed, and I really like that look. There's die cut on either side of the sentiment, and then we've got just flowers kind of floating around, and then we've got our gorgeous large flower cluster here at the bottom, cute little bird, and a seam binding bow. And then I forgot to point out the beautiful butterfly on the paper. And then finally, we have another yellow card. This one says, deep in their roots, all flowers keep the light. And so, I added the word faith here because to me, this sentiment kind of mimics the idea of faith, to keep the faith. And I've got my little flower cluster with the leaves. Very, very pretty. All right, guys, if you want to check out ASC Supplies, all the links will be in the description box down below. I implore you to check them out. So happy to be on their design team and be creating with their beautiful, beautiful papers, and lots of other types of items. So if you don't need paper, you need paints, you need gels, you need tape, you need whatever you need. Check them out. Orders over $70 ship for free. All kinds of great goodies over there. So check them out. And if you're interested in purchasing my cards, there will be a link in the description box as well for my eBay store. So thanks for watching and have a happy scrappy day. Bye guys.